One of the main part of the Python program is data types, which you should learn it. Here in this video, I am going to teach main two types of data type. Okay, welcome to Godzilla Bytes YouTube channel. Here we are going to try out some data types in our Python coding. So before that, you press the subscribe button, that red color button, and press like for motivating me to upload for the more video in my channel. First type A equal to 10 and B equal to the string values are type inside in the double quotes, and then print type of A, then print type of B. Type is the key of to find the type of the data. Now we can run. Here we got the data type in the A was integer and the data type in the B was string. Now you will get the some idea about data types. Okay, we can try another. A equal to 10, B equal to 20 inside double quotes. Type inside double quotes, then here A plus B. We get the output 10, 20 because 10 and 20 are stored as the string values, not the integer values. Only integer values can be added and we will get the output. You can also try like this: string of 10 and string of 20. Then you can print 10, 20. This also the type that was stored as the string values. Okay, if you type the only values, it will take us the integer values. Okay, now you can run 30. Here the integer values added and give us an output as 30. The Python basically takes the values as the tuple, but here basic operation of the addition, the tuples are converted into integer values. In another method, you can try like this: int of, like this, int of. You will get the same output. Now you got the basic idea of data types. Thank you for watching my channel. Please press the subscribe button and press the like for motivating me. Then don't forget to watch the upcoming videos of Python programming. Okay, see you tomorrow.